Nandito tayo sa Chocolate Museum dito sa Jeju pa rin. So ito daw yung top 10 best chocolate. So wrong spelling na naman. Chocolate museums in the world. So nasa top 10 sa Chocolate Museum. Yan. Murguan. Chocolate Hut Murguan. So 10:30 pa. So may mga 10 minutes pa bago tayo makapasok. So yan, dito tayo. Papasok tayo ngayon dyan sa may Chocolate Museum. So, just entered. The admission fee charge, Korean one, is 8,000 won. Then children to 6 to 13 years old, 6,000. Okay. So, here's the ticket office. Just bought the ticket. Here. So, we're going there inside. Here's the train. It's not working. So we're here inside the Chocolate Museum. It's the top 10 chocolate museum in the world, and it's the only chocolate museum in Asia, according to the what I have read outside. So we are still here in Jeju. So here's the factory. Making chocolates, of course. 밖에서는 안 찍었어요. 아직. Look at that. We're making different kinds of chocolates. Oh, that's my favorite chocolate. Here. So here they said you have 3 taste chocolate. Can you give me some? Sabi na natin yung pre-taste.
이 25,000원짜리 체험을 무료로 시켜드려요. 이거 지금 11시에 할 건데 이게 지수에서
Actually, maybe you're wondering why this chocolate are expensive. It's because this is a real cocoa chocolate. The one that you've been eating, like Hershey's chocolate, they're not the authentic one. They're not made from cocoa. They're like artificial chocolate. Cocoa actually is so expensive. So if the chocolate is purely made from cocoa, going to be really expensive. I don't know. So punta dito si ano. She's been here. Chocolate Murguan. Masaheo Kim Ji-won. Yeonwang, the actress in Queen of Tears. She's been here. So my daughter is going to make chocolate. So they are teaching how to make chocolate. So here are the ingredients to make chocolate, and here is the process from cacao to chocolate. How odd. So while waiting, I'm going to sit here. Dito tayo ngayon sa second floor, ano? Grabe yung melted chocolate, oh. Pero ano siya, hindi siya pwedeng kainin. Grabe. So dito, syempre, museum. Mga iba't ibang facts about chocolate. Saan nagsimula. Yan. So dito yan sa Jeju-do. Pwede ka pumunta dito sa Jeju-do kahit wala kang visa. Pero dito na sa Jeju-do, Jeju Island ng Korea. So ito museum na to, nagsimula daw yan, no? Nagsimula siya ng 1997. So ito yung pangalawa sa pinamalaking chocolate factory, chocolate museum dito sa buong mundo actually. So ito yung mga original na chocolate brand. So actually, isa pang facts tungkol sa totoong chocolate is hindi siya nakakasira ng ipin. Okay, so yan isang magandang facts. Health benefits pa ng chocolate is antioxidant siya, syempre dahil meron siyang cacao. So ito yung mga chocolate misunderstanding and truth. So yan ko lang nabasa yun. So ayan, mga utensils, lumang utensils. So yung old machines dito. Yan. Gusto ko naman pupunta sa mga ganitong museum. Parang bumabalik ka dun sa nakaraan. Ibang nakaraan hindi yung masaklap na nakaraan. Yep, Hidario. So, chocolate posters from around the world. Yan. Tatandaan na niya mga poster na yan. Grabe. Famous books that chocolate of the world. Famous books that chocolate. Famous books of chocolate of the world. Pati ako nalito sa grammar eh. Famous books chocolate of the world. Wala nang that dapat. So ayun, mukhang uulan. That is wrap up na natin tong vlog na to. So salamat sa panonood. Nandito tayo sa isang sikat na rest dito sa Jeju, sa Romantic Sew. Romantic shrimp in English. So Romantic Sew. So, in-order natin tomato pasta, shrimp. Then what is this? I don't know. Cream sauce with shrimp. So malapit to sa Marepo Beach. Here. Taas na ulan sa labas. So that's it. Yan ang pagkain natin ngayon. Pagod sa kakalakad.